Appalachian Mountain Riders is brought to you in part by the following. The Honda Side-by-Side Club. If you own a Honda Side-by-Side or are thinking about buying one, then you need to check out HondaSidebyside.com, because who knows the machines better than the owners that use them every day. Head on over to HondaSXS.com and sign up today. Walker Evans Racing, providing high quality shocks and rims for a variety of UTVs. When the path requires more than just ordinary, head on over to WalkerEvansRacing.com. And by my gracious supporters on Patreon. So I got a little unboxing video for you guys today, only I'm not going to be the one unboxing. The kiddos are going to be the one unboxing. So in anticipation of the Honda Pioneer takeover coming up soon here at Ride Royal Blue, we wanted to get the kiddos some helmets. So here's the catch, guys. You pick the box. Now you each ordered your own.
Mine is red one.
Yours is red, yours is pink, but we don't know which one's in the box. So who's going to pick? You guys are stuck with whichever one.
I want that one.
You want this one?
Yep.
Tori gets this one. Can you open it? Here, pull the little tabby. Remember, you're stuck with whichever one you got.
No, we're not.
What? You're not. Oh, it's actually just a bag. That's all I got you is a bag to put over your head so you can't see when Mommy's driving in the scary.
I need help, Daddy. Can you please open up
Fine, yeah.
Can you please open up my... Mine is dead!
Uh-oh, Lana picked the wrong one. You guys didn't see that. Oh, let me put a knot in there. Here, hold on.
Daddy, I'm not mine.
Oh, Tori's got a Spider-Man helmet.
It's mine.
I'll help you here in 1 second, Alana. Can you get, there's a knot in the end. You got to do
Here's
it.
mine. Mine is red one.
Ready? You ready? Oh, look at that big guy. All right, Alana, it's yours.
Look at my camera.
And Alana's got a pretty pink one with silver flames. That's cool. Here, hold on.
I can put on by myself.
Yeah, I'm sure you can, but I gotta undo the strap or you're gonna strangle yourself. Now hold the straps.
What are you doing,
Hold the
Mama?
straps out of the way.
Widen.
You're gonna ride, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, look
We
at
go right
that.
now.
Oh,
Wow,
Torn's
we got
ready to go right
We
now.
got some stylish kids here now, don't we?
Now we each have our new helmet.
So what do we? You remember what we paid for these helmets?
$67 for the two.
$67 helmets. Did these come from Amazon?
Yeah.
So if you
These
guys
really
are looking for helmets for your little ones, these are size large, correct?
I believe.
And they do make small, right? It's a little bit smaller, but both of our kiddos, despite the difference in age, have pretty much the same head size. So, but again, these are size large. Torin has a little bit of growing room in there. Lana's fits pretty good. But again, these are TMS brand, I guess. I don't know. My wife did all the ordering. So if you're looking again for helmets for kiddos, Amazon's a good place to get some.
Two for $67.
Well, both total is
Total.
Well, that's not a well. That's even better.
Total.
Shade on.
Just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, we're looking forward to the Pioneer takeover. It's just right around the corner. How many weeks left? 3? Roughly 3 weeks. So
Less than 3
Next
weeks.
time when we go riding, can you bring me some?
you can wear those next time. We'll break them in before we head down to Tennessee. How's that sound?
What does that mean?
You'll wear them and try them out before we go. How's that?
We're going to go over this.
Oh!
Torin just tried his out.
Here's mine. Mine is upside down.
All right, guys. Until next time.
Keep on riding.
Torin,
Keep on
keep on riding.
riding.